Hello and welcome back to ARCHI Tools. In this video, we'll discuss about what are project templates and how we can create a new kind of project template as a standard for a new project. The next thing which we will discuss about how you can transfer your project standards from one project to another. So let's begin. First of all, what are project templates? So project templates are predefined file that is used to start a new project which has some kind of predefined setting standards and elements, so we don't have to set up everything from scratch every time. What project templates include? They include predefined levels, component families like furniture, caseworks, etc., and system families like wall, roof, floors, ceilings, and so on. They also include annotation elements like title blocks, dimensions, tags, and so on, as well as they might include your view templates and filters. So these are all the standards which you can add on as a template to your starting project. If I go on this particular uh, project and if I see search on this wall, so we have different kinds of wall over here. Some of the walls I have already created and it is specific to my this project only. If I would create a new file, just if I open a new project as a template using the architectural template and go from here, let's say I want all the standards related to the previous project like this. I want the templates which I have made, view templates like this, and I would require my different kinds of wall which I had made. So if I go through the process of creating a new project by choosing a template which is inbuilt from here, I won't get the properties of the project on which I have worked previously. For example, if I show you with an example of wall, I select this wall, you can see that 200 wall is present in this. And if I go into my new project, since this is a new template over here, we might not have this 200 wall because we have created 200 wall in this particular project. It is not a part of this template. So let's say you want to create a template that will act as a standard for all the projects. You can create a template for various residential projects. You can create a template of commercial project in a different manner. So how you can create a template based on existing project you have worked upon. For that, first of all, you need to clear up a few of the things because you won't be wanting these models which you have already provided. So I'll just select all of these going into the 3D, and in the filter icon I'll just untick this levels because I would be requiring level. This is my requirement, and I'll just select all of them and just press on delete. So I've deleted the model elements. Now if you want to remove your sheets also, you can do that. In my case, I don't want to remove these sheets, and I will be using in my different kinds of projects. So I'll keep it as it is. I'll just remove the elevations because it will be project specific. Next is I will go to my manage and check for the links. So I'll remove these links because these are project specific. Just select all of them at once by using the shift key and just remove it. Press on OK. Similar way, if you don't require things into your template, you can go ahead and delete it. And after you have done all the cleanup, just go ahead and save it as template by going into file and click on save as. So instead of going into project, we'll go to save as a template. Now, as you can see, the type of extension in template is RTE instead of RVT, because RVT is for projects. So I'll search for the position where I would like to save it and I will name it. So I'll name it as commercial custom template. Just go ahead and save it. After I have saved my template, I'll just close this file. Now, I will follow the process where I create my new file. Just go to new, and instead of going into this drop down under the template option, I will go to browse in this case, and just search for the position where I have saved my template file. So this is my custom template which I have created. Just click on open on this, and create new project is fine over there. Just click on OK after that. So we have started with a new template over here, and as you can find, we have different levels already set up which are required in this project. And if I go into the walls and check the types of wall are all required or not, you just can see that all the types of walls are already present which we have used in our previous project. Similar thing applies for floor types, roof type, and our annotation objects as well, including the dimensions, our 2D items, all of this stuff. So this is one way in which you can create your sheet template. The other way to create your sheet template is from scratch. Let's say you don't have any previous project you have worked upon which would suit as a template for your different kinds of project, and you want to create a template from scratch. How you can do that? Just go on this icon over here and follow the same process while you create a new project. So in this option over here, in the template drop down, click on none in this case, and in this create new option, just click on project template instead of project, and click on OK. Since we are starting from scratch, it will ask for your unit. What is your preferred unit in this? So let's go ahead with metric right now. Now this is a template which is opened. Now I can go ahead and create different types of custom families and system families, like as I can create different kinds of wall. If I select this wall, and by going into the drop down, you would find that we have only two types of wall. That is very basic. One is a basic wall, the other is a curtain wall, and the third one is a stack wall. So you can go ahead and begin your just add on different kinds of wall which would act as a template for your different projects. Let's say you want to create a new wall. So let's keep a wall at 100 mm, and you need to begin providing the information in this, and you can similar way you can follow the same procedure for creating your floor, different types of floor also, and roofs also. So instead of creating such kind of system families individually in different kinds of project, you can go ahead and create different kinds of system families into a template which would act as a base for any other project which you would start. So this is a better way of doing it. Once you have are done with all providing your inputs and everything, providing your levels as well, you can go ahead and save it as a template, provide your name as we have done previously, and just go ahead and save. The same process applies to this also. After saving it, just go to the browse and go to the location where you have saved the same file. So this was the way in which you can create your sheet template from scratch. Now, after we have done with all of these options, we'll discuss about how you can transfer your standards from one project to another project. Let's say this is one of my project over here, and I want to transfer only a specific type of element from this project to my another project. I'll take an example of view template. So if I go to the options, various types of view templates I have provided in this project, and I would require these different view templates into my another project. So what I'll need to do is, I first of all need to open both the projects in the same session in order to transfer. So if I go on this, the project in which I want to move my view template, you would find we don't have that much of view templates in this. So I would want to transfer my view template. So I'm giving you an example just as to demonstrate how this transfer works. So first of all, you will open the project in which you are working and you want your standards to be copied from. So I have opened this project and I would require the set of templates from another project. So for transferring it, just go to the manage, and here you would find transfer project standards. Just click on this. After that, you would get an option of copy from. Since the project has been opened, so if you go on the drop down, you would find all the projects which are open over here. That's why you need to open the project on from which you want to transfer. So this is my project, and in this, after that, you would find that all of the arrows are ticked over here, all of the options are ticked over here. Just go ahead and whatever what is your requirement of transfer, just go ahead and transfer it. So my requirement is view template, so I'll click on v, and here I would find my view template. I'll just go ahead and check none first of all, and I'll just tick view templates over here. Once you are done, just click on OK. So after transferring your templates, it will somehow show you some kinds of elements which are copied, but we have same set of elements in this project as well, so it is duplicating it. So in this case, I don't want my duplicates, so I would write overwrite. So in this way, my elements present in this project would be given preference. So after that, if I go to view template and search, so you can see that view templates have been transferred from that project to our current project, which was our requirement. In the same way, you can transfer different uh, elements, just like, for example, if you want different a set of dimensional styles, you can go ahead and check for the dimension styles, check none, and just select the type because you want only dimension style. Just go ahead, just check from the copy from option which project is selected from which you want to copy, and just go ahead and press on OK. The process remains the same. Similar way, if you want the wall type to be copied from different project, so you can select that also. Just make sure that only that element is selected and press on OK. So congratulations, you are now able to create your sheet template, as well as you are able to transfer your project standards from one project to another. Let me know in the comments box if you are facing any issues regarding the same. Like and subscribe to our channel if this video has given you some kind of help. Take care, keep learning.